Hi there. Thank you for joining me again on our reading lesson program. I call it Reading with Miss Gina because I am Miss Gina, and hopefully I'm going to help you learn some ways that you can read anything you want for the rest of your life. Yeah, really. It first starts with knowing your sounds, which hopefully you've learned some either with me or somebody else. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take sounds that you know and we're going to put them together. And so, for example, if I said to you, I, you might be a little confused. What? I think she's trying to say hi to me, but I'm not sure, right? So, when we talk, we put all these sounds that we know together, right? We put them together so that we can let other people know what we mean. And when we write things down, like what you see on the page there, that's to tell people what we're trying to sound out. So in this lesson, what I want you to practice is putting those two sounds together. And I'm going to go through it with you, but think of it for a second. If I said I instead of hi, it would be a little confusing for you, right? So this is going to help you start practicing how to join those two things together. Hi. Okay. A lot of times I'm going to be looking down because I have to do the computer and I'm using a pen here to point and click the button for the next page. Okay. But I'll be with you. All right. So the first things I want you to take a look at are, let me get a pointer here for you. I'm sorry for the delay. Here we go. I'm just going to be a spotlight. So I'm going to say the sounds and then I'm going to have you say them with me. Okay, here we go. So we got ah, eh, and it. Now you say them, please. Yeah, very good. If you didn't remember them, that's okay. Just go ahead and look again. You're just learning, right? You can't remember everything all at once, no matter how good a memory we have. Okay, so the other sounds are t, n. Let me go back here on these two. So the is kind of like that was good. Closing your mouth. And then this one for nest or no is going to be more like you put. So pretend my thumb is your tongue, right? So your tongue could go up there. No. Or a nest. Okay. All right. So the next one we have is and this one I'm going to lean to the microphone. It's not puh. Sometimes people say puh because you're trying to hear the sound, but no, it's really soft as if you're blowing on a candle. So if you put your hand up and you blow, you can feel it a little bit. If you say puh, you can't really feel it. The air just kind of goes out. So this sound here is all right. Okay, so your turn. We have turtle, monkey, nest, fish, sun, pear. All right, awesome. So here's the next one. So we're going to concentrate with we're going to first start with the box in red over here, okay? So hopefully you remember this is an for yum or mama. And this is how you do it. Just follow the pointer and listen. Listen the first time, okay? If it's your second time through and you're practicing, awesome. But this is the first lesson, all right? Ma, ma, meh, ma, meh. Hopefully you could hear a little bit of how I tried to put them together, even though I wasn't quite sure where I was going. Yes, I've done these quite a few times, but I've done them in different order. So you just want to know, like, look ahead and just try to put things together. Okay, so we're going to do this again, and this time I want you to try to work with me. Okay, ma, great. Ma, ma, mi, mi, ma, ma, me, me. Great. So I'm not gonna move on just yet. I wanted to show you something. Let me get my writing tools here. So I'm gonna take my pen, and I want you, if you have this on paper, you can use your finger. But for now, just watch me. So I have a and I'm holding on to the ma all the way till I get to the a. Okay, so you want to take this sound and hold it ma till you know where you're going. Mi, ma, me. And once you have an idea of where you're going and you've done this before, excuse me, I'm going to erase my markings. Okay. When you've done it before, then you can go a little quicker, right? You can go ma, mi, ma, me. Okay, we're going to try it on the next one. We're going to, except for the next one, it starts on this other side right here. Let me undo that. So it goes am. So notice these ones take a little longer to start with. Im, M is, that's what that letter is we're pointing to. Let's do that one more time. Let me clear that off. Okay, here we go. Am, im, M. Now you may have recognized a word or two in here. M for the letter M. Am, I am. And there's also like when you're thinking, right? But right now we're just learning how to put sounds together. If you know that they mean something, that's great. That's not this lesson though, okay?